This is a spider web shooter. Pretty cool. It comes with gloves. I'm not sure if they're not allowed to say Spider-Man, but I feel like I'm Spider-Man with this thing on. So this is what it looks like here. You kind of hide it, right? And it has this is where it shoots out right here. So if you watch, if I just kind of go like, this, right? It shoots out. And then when I want to bring it back in, I click this little button, right? And it basically rewinds itself. Now you have to charge it because I think there's obviously a battery in here, and it comes with the USB cable to charge it. And then to reload it, you just push it in. This also comes off, so it's like a magnetic attachment. And oh, geez, see, I just shot it by mistake. But there you go. You know, it does seem to work. You don't want to shoot anyone in the face with this thing because it would probably hurt. But it's pretty neat. My kids loved it. And I said, I need to make a video before you guys break this thing. But they were running all around the house shooting each other with it. And they didn't seem to hurt themselves or anyone else. It also comes with, let's see. It comes with additional line. It also comes with an additional kind of like dart or whatever you want to call it. Actually comes with 3 additional ones. And a little screwdriver. And a USB to charge it. So pretty neat little device. Get your Spider-Man on.